we have a thing in Romania. So we are not so disciplined when we commit to something. And for me to be able to bring in 8 people in the same room for 12 weeks or 10 weeks or whatever seems to be very difficult. Therefore, I've created a different approach, leveraging what I've learned in the Fast Track Mastermind, but providing also some asynchronous learning to those people. So basically what they get in this package is access to the, so they do their report, right? They get access to the platform for 1 year. Then I invest 2 hours in every single one of them using the account planner, which I was mentioning for several times. I think it's the most underutilized tool for, you know, building the relationship and secure the success of the intervention. I find it very, very cool, and it was, you know, appreciated by all of my business owners. So I do spend time with them one-on-one.
Sorry, how do you do it?
Yeah.
Like walk me through how you really get me onto the value builder system, or at least show me the value with the action planner.
Well, the thing that we do is that we take every single question and we make sure that the answer that the business owner provided was the appropriate one. I had some surprises for business owners not understanding what the question was about. So we make sure that we have a good starting point. Then we establish together what would be the realistic progress that we can do in 6 or 9 months time. Okay, because this program is between 5 and 9 months, so they can choose.
Yeah, and I just want to make mention, because somebody just pointed it out, this is the action planner, not the account planner. I know you're calling it an account planner in your session, but it's the action planner that we have in the value builder system.
Correct. Yeah.
Okay, so and you just literally go question by question. Did they answer the right question? And then after that?
After that, we have the plan and we set the obstacles, and where we have very straight to the point actions, we do set the actions, and at the end they have the plan that will be their master plan for the program. And this way I make sure they are guided into the learning process.
Awesome. Okay. And so then, so do you expect the action planner to last a year, 6 months, 3 months, 3 years? You know, how do you set that up with them?
In general, we work on a 1 year basis. I have 2 business owners that decided that they are in a hurry, and we have a 6 months action plan.
Are they do you do all 12 modules throughout the year, or are you still trying to do the, like, yeah, how do you structure it? Like, they come in to your Freedom College and you structured it based on the fast track model. So how are you making it go on for a year?
So one it's the they are not going for, I mean, we do create the action planner for 1 year, but the program lasts between 5 months and 8 and 9 months, right? Because we have 1-to-1 for the first call, then they will have 4 or 8 months for the drivers, and then I have another 1-to-1 call with them doing the freedom point. So basically the beginning and the end, they have a one-on-one meeting with me. The rest, it's self-paced.